right, welcome to this video. It has been a while. I know most of you are expecting this update. All right, so this is the update I have for all of us. I have been working on this update for a long time, and I think it is 80% complete. The reason why I'm saying it's 80% complete is I have worked on most of the modules, most of the features, but I haven't tested some of the features. I have worked on the features, but I haven't tested them to prove that they are working. And since I haven't tested to know whether they are working or not, I cannot say it is ready. Okay, most of you has been pressuring me, telling me if whether I'm doing it or not. This is the proof that I am doing it. I'll just incorporate it with your into your existing website. So this site has a shop functionality. Okay, so API shop payment management. It also has API orders, pay to manage API orders. It also have a place for you to post your products. Okay, so if you check the home page here, let me log out. If you check the home page here, this is the basic home page interface. All right, but then you can come to the shop page and then click on home page, show and shop. Then you can activate show product home page. So I can activate this too and then save. After that, when I come to the home page, you can see that the home page will change totally. So depending on what you want to use the site for and the feature to enable. Okay. So I'm still working on it. It is 80% complete. So if you don't want the shop functionality, you just come to the settings, the shop settings, then you just deactivate it. Okay. So you have this page when you deactivate it. Also, I have a place to add product. So this is for physical products. If you are dealing with physical products, then you make good use of this functionality. Also have SMS center, send SMS support. Now let me go to the user side. Let me log in. Let me log into one of the test account. Good. So when you log in, you see the interface this way. But you as an admin, you have to come to the discount part and then activate a discount for a particular agent. Okay. And if you activate the special package or special pricing for that agent, that is where the agent will be able to use the shop feature and also the API feature. All right. So if I click on shop, you see that I have my shop dashboard, my shop link. So I can copy this link, then I can send it to somebody to buy data from me. So this is my shop name, and then my WhatsApp number, my number, my WhatsApp group, and then my packages. All right. So anybody at all can just buy from me, and I'll make my profit. That is how it works. Okay. I'll add my profit to the data packages, and then when they make the order, I'll get my profit. So here, total sales 11. So right now I've made a sale, so now the total sale is 12. Now check down here, you see the total revenue and then also your profit, your shop earning, your profit, and you can request for a payout here. Okay, so you'll be able to have all this if they activate the discount part for you. And then I know some of you might be wondering why I dress this way. Yeah, we are in the fugalization month where we are all encouraged to wear our traditional smock or fugu. That is why I have rocked into it right now. So if you haven't bought your fugu yet, make sure you buy one and rock in it. All right, let's go back to what the reason why we are here. So you can click on edit shop. Then you can edit your shop details, your logo, your description, your shop prices. Okay, so I'm getting 1 GB for 5 CD 50 pesos. I can add 1 CD and then sell it for 7 CDs. Okay, so this will be my profit. My profit will be 1 CD 70 pesos. Now here too, I can decide to sell it 13 CDs, and then my profit will be 1 CD 50 pesos. That means anytime somebody make an order, that is the profit I'll be getting anytime somebody make an order, and then I can request for withdrawal. I can request for withdrawal. So this is the shop settings. Then down here, you can go back to the shop dashboard. All right, that is how it is. Then you can also click here to visit your shop. You can click here to visit your shop. Then also down here, let's go to the shop settings. Down here, you can paste your WhatsApp group number or your WhatsApp group link. Okay, you can paste or you can do all that settings here, your phone number, your shop title, your shop description. So this is the name I have given to the shop. I can change it to something like Stella. Then the description too, I can change it to anything I want. After that, then I'll click on save. But you have to note that when you log into the account for the first time, you have to create the shop before you get this interface. I'm getting this interface because I have created the shop. That's why I first got this interface, right? But if it is your first time after getting this feature on your website, you just click on shop, then you create the shop by entering your shop name, your logo, and everything, and then you continue to create the shop. Then we have here to API. Here you can generate an API key here. You can generate an API key, so the API key name, and here just leave it empty and then generate. Okay, if somebody wants to connect his or her site to your site, you give this API to the person, and then the person will be able to connect his or her site to your site. Right now, here we have documentation, the API documentation. So this is the base URL. It will be your website link /API. Okay, so this is out. So it will be your website. So let's say your website name is jamesdata.com. So it will be jamesdata.com /API. All right, and these are the endpoints for the three network. This is the endpoint for MTN, endpoint for Telecel, and endpoint for ET. And this is the request format in JSON, how it should be formatted. All right, then you can click here to download the full documentation of the API, and then you send it to the person. You get it. So this is the full details about the API, right? Then at the admin session, to have a lot of things to do at the admin session. Let me check. So you as an admin too, you have orders history here, where all the orders you have previously made will be. Then just as usual, you have your orders, MTN, Telecel, ET, just like the old site. Okay, but this one, anytime there is order, it's marked here for you to tell you that there is an order. All right. Then we have the processing order inside here, as usual, how it was. Then we also have the shop, the checkers. If you want the checkers, I can activate that for you. But if you don't want, then it will leave there blank that way. Just as usual, the packages side, that's where you add the packages and all that. And now I have tried to add a feature where users can send SMS to their customers. So here they'll just buy SMS package, and then they can send SMS to their customers. Right. So that feature too is there. I'm still developing it. I haven't tested to make sure it is working. And then I have redesigned the support page. Okay, the support page. Now this is how it looked like. I have redesigned the support page, the reply, the message, and the replies and all that. I have redesigned them. Then we also have the announcement page, which I have also try to redesign. So I have a lot of feature. When you go to the settings, then you come to SMS. No, let's go to payment gateways. We have one, two, three, four payment gateways. You can activate or deactivate any of them. But as I said earlier, currently I can guarantee that the Paystack in the manual is working. Hoptel and Mori, I haven't tested them to make sure that they are working yet, but the pressure is there, so I have to leave it that way. In the next update I'll do, I'll work on them and make sure that they are working, and then I'll roll them out. So you can activate or deactivate any of the payment methods here. The guest shop payment, should you use Paystack, Hoptel, Mori? Which one should you use? The quick order payments. Okay. Now at the home page, let me log out here. At the home page, when a customer click on buy instant, the customer will visit this page where the person can just select the network, select the data package, and then enter the number and make an order without logging in. Okay, so you have to make sure that you set the payment method that will be used for all those areas. All right, so these are a few of the features that I have integrated into this update. Okay, more is yet to come, but I can't keep you waiting. I have to just push it in so that we'll be using when I'm done with everything. I'll push it in so that we'll all get the full benefit. All right. I'm also making sure that I work on the product page so that the page will be nice. All right. So this is the general overview of what you should expect. I have started rolling out to some of you your site. So some of you will see some small errors, but I'm still fixing them. Right now, I have currently updated 5 sites. I have about 20 more to go. So if you haven't received yours, just tap. We just know that your site will be updated soon. When it's done updating, you see that you'll get this new interface. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, remember our old channel was taken down. So encourage your customers to subscribe to this our new channel. Thank some small errors, but I'm still fixing them. Right now, I have currently updated 5 sites. I have about
Hey,
20 more to go.
admin
So if
orders
you
waiting
haven't
for you.
received yours,
Check and attend to
just
them.
tap.
Thank you.
Just know that your
Thank
site will
you.
be updated soon. When it's done updating, you see that you get this new interface. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, remember our old channel was taken down. So encourage your customers
Hey,
to subscribe
admin
to
orders
this
waiting for
our
you.
new
Check and
channel.
attend to them. Thank
Thank
you.
you for watching.
Thank you.